federal government's 5-year constitutional term will end today. The National Assembly will stand dissolved at midnight tonight, paving way for the establishment of a caretaker setup before the general elections scheduled on July 25th this year. The 5-year term of the Punjab Assembly and Balochistan Assembly is also ending tonight. This is the first time in Pakistan's history that a second consecutive democratic government is completing its constitutional term. Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi and Leader of Opposition in the National Assembly Khurshid Shah have already named former Chief Justice Nasirul Mulk as interim Prime Minister. Chief Justice of Pakistan Justice Mia Saqib Nisar reprimanded federal government over lack of progress in 2012 Asghar Khan case. Chief Justice of Pakistan Mia Saqib Nisar remarked, "Why hasn't the federal cabinet done anything regarding the Asghar Khan case verdict, adding that this is a serious case and government is least concerned about it." The top judge, who reached the country after a 2-week international tour late last night, resumed his duties today. A 3-member bench headed by the top judge heard the case at Supreme Court Lahore Registry. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa said the nation must carry forward gains toward enduring peace and stability. The Army Chief addressed the officers and faculty of Command and Staff College in Quetta. General Bajwa said the country, through great sacrifices of security forces and the nation, is on a positive trajectory of peace and stability. The Army Chief visited Headquarters Southern Command in Quetta, where he was briefed about the progress of border fencing along the Balochistan portion of the Pak Afghan border, Quetta Safe City project and the Khushal Balochistan initiative. General Bajwa expressed his satisfaction on the progress and security initiatives. Balochistan Assembly adopted a resolution seeking a 1-month delay in the upcoming general elections in the province. Chief Minister Balochistan Abdul Quddus Bizinjo said that the resolution is being misinterpreted by certain quarters and that they were only requesting the Federation for a 1-month delay in elections. He said every eligible Pakistani should have the right to cast his vote. We don't even know about our constituencies yet. The government of Balochistan is set to complete its 5-year term today. Pakistan, China and Afghanistan agreed to strengthen the anti-terrorism security cooperation and continue their alliance in fighting terrorism. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry, Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Kong Xuanyou, Afghan Deputy Foreign Minister Hikmat Karzai and Pakistan's Foreign Secretary Tehmina Janjua co-chaired the meeting. The ministry said that all parties agreed that they considered the trilateral cooperation mechanism among Pakistan, China and Afghanistan to be of great importance. The 3 states also said that they were willing to strengthen their communication to enhance mutual trust. Julia Roberts will present the AFI Life Achievement Award to fellow actor George Clooney. Roberts, who has co-starred with Clooney in a number of films including Ocean's 11, Ocean's 12 and Money Monster, was announced as the presenter by the American Film Institute. Clooney also starred in his directorial debut Confessions of a Dangerous Mind. An 8-time 8th Academy Award nominee, Clooney has won the film industry's most coveted honor twice, once for Best Supporting Actor in Syriana and another for Best Picture with Argo. On the decision of United Bank Limited on discontinuing its cricket team, Sarfraz Ahmed, Pakistan cricket team captain, said that departmental cricket has played a big part for sports in the country and that departmental cricket should be promoted. The decision taken by United Bank Limited for finishing its team would let players face uncertainty. And finally, the weather. The forecast shows that very hot and dry weather is expected in most parts of the country.
Please subscribe to Hums Up TV and hit the notification icon on the screen to get the latest updates of our channel. Thank you for watching Hums Up TV.